Step 1. Insert the castors into the frame for the precision tolerance delivered by the robotic burn. Step 2. Connect the two frames using the horizontal braces. This system is engineered for a maximum total tower capacity of 950 kilograms. We build industrial-grade redundancy. Step 3. Install the diagonal braces. The geometric rigidity of the tower is now locked. This is the hard requirement for torsional resistance under the Class 3 stand. Steps 4 and 5. Level the structure using the adjustable legs, strictly monitored by a split level. We recommend a 50 mm gap at the bottom for optimal stability. Then, tighten the fixing screws. Step 6. Step on the rail brakes. When locked, the tower can withstand a maximum lateral force of 20 kilograms at platform level, solid as a lock. Step 7. Install the trapdoor plywood plank. The safe working load is 275 kilograms per platform level, crushing the industrial average. Step 8. Install the toe bolt. Physically block the risk of falling objects. Every millimeter of our design protects your side margins. The final step. Personnel must always climb the tower from the inside. This is the borderline for EN1004 compliance, an absolute responsibility for human life.